Greetings, colleagues. It's your favorite webmaster here, Miss Salemi, and I am here to teach you today some of the best practices to save time and maintain your Genesis gradebooks effectively. This is a great time-saving tip for when you're updating your gradebook, and I look forward to professionally developing you in this way today. So thanks again for joining us. Now, this is a very important step. If you miss this step, this will not work. Click right here where it says all students and then return. I've already done this step. That's why it says 0 turned in, 0 assigned, 14 graded. Make sure you click on this and click return. Now, this will return the assignment to each of your students individually with their grade. Now, see this little gear right here in the upper right-hand corner? Click on this gear. Now you're going to have a few different options. Copy the grades to Google Sheets, download all grades as CSV, download these grades as CSV. Click on the third option. This is very important. Download these grades as CSV. If you download all of the grades, this will not work. So now I'm going to click here, download these grades as CSV. Now, if you notice on the bottom of my screen, I have a little download that just popped up here in my downloads toolbar. I'm going to click on my video that I had just downloaded. Holding down the mouse button, I'm going to drag it onto my desktop. Now the file is here, it's local, and it can be conveniently uploaded directly to Genesis. Clicking on my gradebook, I locate the class where I'm going to import these grades, and then find the assignment where you are importing the grades. At the very bottom of this page, and see where it says import grades? And because it's on the desktop, it is conveniently available for us to locate. Click on Import Grades. And just like that, you've updated your gradebook. Don't forget to click Save. Thank you for joining us.